What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. Today we have the new project, this Tesla Model X, and this one we're gonna wrap it in INOZETek Midnight Purple. Let's do it. Alright guys, so we have a new project, this Tesla Model X. This one is beautiful, it's amazing, but the color that we're gonna do for this one is a beautiful, amazing color. This INOZETek Midnight Purple, so it's gonna look amazing. This one already looks nice, super nice. The shape is very good, like this, like a hatchback thing style, and it's beautiful. So let's start with this project. I have to clean it, but I don't want to do that on the video because I don't want to make it too long. So I'm gonna wash it and clean it, and then I'm gonna put it in the garage to start with the project. So remember, I already have the wrap training for this one. If you want to learn how to do this, the link is gonna be on the description of the video down below. Okay, let's start with this project. Alright guys, you can see it there. It looks amazing. I don't know if you can see the purple, how it changes with the sun. It's over here a little bit, but it has to be on the sun. But the purple, look at this. It looks beautiful. This one was hard to do. Tell you the truth, this one was very hard, especially to remove these things. Man, you have to remove a lot of parts. But finally it's done. You can see it. Amazing. The color for this one is a midnight purple from INOZETEK. It's nice. The wrap is very good to work. It's not that hard. Yeah. So this one I did it in 2 pieces. The seam is here, but it's hard to see it. Prefer to do two pieces, so that way it won't lift with the future. You can see how it looks, everything. The mirrors, everything. It's very nice. Amazing. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Okay guys, this car project is done. Thank God. It was very hard to do it, especially in some parts to remove. Okay, but it's done. The color is midnight purple from INOZETEK. Okay, so if you want to learn how to do this, my course, my car training, beginners car training, car wrap training, gonna be in the description of the video down below. If you want to learn how to wrap cars. Okay, but let me know what you guys think. Put in the comments. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.